Water is becoming scarce. How can I save my pomegranate crop? How is this orchard so healthy while mine is suffering?
With Sai Mitra drip irrigation, every drop goes directly to the roots. Less water waste, healthier plants. Really? That's it. Every drop reaches exactly where it is needed. Healthy roots, stronger plants, and better harvest. Every drop matters. Sai Mitra drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, helping plants grow healthy.
These trees are looking incredibly healthy this season.
Yes, the fruit is much larger than last year.
Keep up the fantastic work here.